Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Headless Korblox avatar on Dress to Impress. So you do need VIP for this, and it only works in free play unfortunately. But I'm just going to go here and I'm going to get this leg here. Select the right leg and then color it your skin tone. And then that one is it. Okay. And then make sure the material is matte. Then you are going to go to the dressing rooms and you're going to save the outfit like so. You're just going to jump out and you're going to stand in the corner and you're just going to turn your camera around like this, and then you're going to select the camera, and then you're going to select close, and then you're going to press E. Then you're going to select the headless one and then select wear. Then you're just going to walk the runway. It is annoying that this will still be here, but I mean, at least you can see that you're headless on the runway. You can kind of like crop it out, I guess, in some parts. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.